To speed up an Echeck on PayPal, it is essential to understand what an Echeck is and why it may take longer to process than other payment methods. An Echeck is an electronic version of a traditional paper check, and it allows users to pay for goods and services online by transferring funds from their bank account. The reason why PayPal Echeck may take so long is that the payment is sent as an Echeck when the sender does not have sufficient funds in their PayPal balance to cover the full amount of the payment. In such cases, PayPal will draw the funds from the sender's bank account, and this process can take several days to complete. To speed up the process, the sender can ensure they have sufficient funds in their PayPal balance to cover the payment. If the sender does not have sufficient funds, they can add funds to their PayPal balance before making the payment. This way, the payment will be made instantly, and the recipient will not have to wait for the Echeck to clear. Another reason why an Echeck may take longer to process is that the recipient's account may be subject to a payment hold. PayPal may place a hold on payments to ensure that the recipient is able to fulfill their obligations, such as shipping goods to the buyer. To avoid payment holds, sellers can ensure they have a verified PayPal account, provide accurate tracking information, and have a good selling history on the platform. In addition, both the sender and the recipient can check the status of the Echeck on their PayPal account to see if there are any issues that may be causing the delay. They can also contact PayPal customer support if they need assistance with the payment. To minimize the risk of Echeck payments taking a long time to process, buyers can consider using other payment methods, such as credit or debit cards, which are processed instantly. Sellers can also consider offering alternative payment methods to their buyers to reduce the risk of delayed payments. In conclusion, to speed up an Echeck on PayPal, senders can ensure they have sufficient funds in their PayPal balance, and recipients can ensure they have a verified account and are providing accurate tracking information. By following these best practices, users can minimize the risk of delayed Echeck payments and ensure a smoother transaction experience.